Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all keeping safe and going strong during this second lockdown. If you're from the UK, that is, I know I do get a lot of international support on the channel, so wherever you are, I hope you're doing good. As you can see by the title of the video, I have acquired the Nike Sacai Vaporwaffle. They dropped last week. I unfortunately had to pay resell. If you do follow me on Instagram, you would have seen my Instagram story running commentary of taking L after L. Fair play to you and well done if you took a win on any of the raffles. If you didn't, I'm going to link some resellers with actually reasonable prices down below. So when you finish watching the video, go and check them out. And just really quickly, before we jump into the video, I just want to remind you guys, if you do enjoy watching, please don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to the channel. So back to the sneakers, and this is actually my first purchase from the Nike Sacai collaboration. Of course, you've got the OG Nike Sacai LD Waffle, these, which is the Nike Sacai Vaporwaffle, and these actually dropped in two different colors. You've got the white and black, as you can see here, and they also dropped in a royal fuchsia colorway, which I think is great, but I just don't have a lot of black and white everyday trainers, which is why I went for this color. I really do think you need to see these trainers in hand before you make up your mind. My first impressions when I took these out of the box, I was like, wow, these are crazy. It's definitely the most unique trainer I own, and I want to give you guys a quick rundown. So I'm going to start from the sole and then work our way up. The most unique part of this sneaker is definitely the sole. It's because it's comprised of two individual sneakers, being the Vaporfly and the Pegasus running shoe. It gets even crazier when you get to the heel portion. As you can see, it's split, and there's your clear indication that there's two different soles used to create this shoe. And I'll be honest, this is definitely going to make you taller. I've only worn these for a little bit of time, but I can say they are super comfy and well cushioned, which is ideal if you do want to wear them for a long period of time. The middle part of this sneaker is quite narrow in my opinion, but then as you get to the toe area, it widens out a little bit, which is a bit more comfortable. And then in terms of the upper, it is constructed of mesh, leather, suede, and a little bit of nylon, which is a good variation of fabric in my opinion. The leather's located on the heel portion of the shoe, alongside that classic Nike Sacai branding, and you've also got two leather night ticks on either side of the sneaker. I must admit, this shoe is pretty thin. Like honestly, you can see through both sides of the mesh. If I was you, I'd be careful about wearing any crazy coloured socks. And in terms of the suede, you've got some nice suede around the toe box area, as well as either side of the lace eyelets. There's also an overlapping printed night tick, which goes from the heel all the way down to the sole for ultimate brand recognition. Onto the lacing area and the tongue, and something that has become synonymous with the Nike Sacai collaborations is that double injection of lacing and the double tongue. I'm not a fan of the double lacing, if I'm honest. I'm probably going to leave it on there for now, then later just change to one colour. But I do really like the new addition of the double tongue. I think that's really cool. And as you can see, you've got the classic OG Nike sportswear tongue. Then on top of that, you've got the Nike Sacai one. So that is the sneaker, and honestly, I'm well buzzing with these. I'm really looking forward to wearing them more and more. Before we move on to the sizing, I do want to show you some quick on-feet shots, so enjoy. So I styled those with my pleated trousers, jeans and some shorts. Now onto the sizing. I actually took a UK 6.5 in these, and I'll be honest, the sizing is super frustrating for me personally because my Nike sizing is a bit all over the place. For example, I'm actually a UK 6 in the Jordan 1s, but then for everything else, a 6 seems to be a bit too tight. So my advice for you guys is to be safe and go for your true to size and Nike size. If any of that doesn't make sense, feel free to drop me a comment down below. But if you can, honestly, just try a pair on. That is my best advice. So that is my review of the Nike Sacai Vaporwaffle. Honestly, so buzzing with these and can't wait to wear them more. If you do have any more questions, do feel free to drop me a comment down below. And I just want to say before I go, if you do enjoy watching, please don't forget to smash that like button and also to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to see some more content of me with these, feel free to follow me on Instagram. You can find me at Charlie Turner with 3 R's. Drop me a follow and say hello. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.